The government is expected to announce the next phase of the asset monetization pipeline with a higher outlay in the upcoming budget. The next phase will focus on asset recycling, aiming to generate funds for reinvestment in critical infrastructure. And we're talking about key sectors that include power, highways and railways, which are likely to be prioritized for monetization. My colleague Shrimi has this report.
Clearly, budget is expected to, have an enhanced focus on the asset monetization. As you know, it's critical in terms of financing the infrastructure development in the country while, attracting the private investment. So, sources telling us is that government is expected to provide a roadmap of the next phase of national monetization pipeline, where they are going to set a higher target for the next fiscal onwards, that is FY26. In fact, a lot of focus would be on the asset recycling, wherein resource is getting generated to have a reinvestment from the public sector and also the fresh investment from the private sector. In fact, a lot of, sectors is going to be prioritized in the next phase, which include petroleum, mining, airports, highways, metro network. And in fact, railways will see a lot of action, which was missing in the first phase of the pipeline, which was launched 4 years ago with an ambitious target of 6 lakh crore. Now, in the first 3 years, the pipeline is able to, raise around 4 trillion, and in the ongoing fiscal, because the scheme is getting ended this fiscal itself, is going to sort of generate around 2 trillion is what the anticipation is. So clearly it's going to, exceed the estimates, and that's why the government is, planning to, come up with the second phase of this scheme, and with a clear intent to how to sort of unlock the value of the public sector assets through the private sector participation, and plus how to sort of utilize the underutilized asset and those assets which are not able to sort of give the optimal return so far. So clearly we are going to see, announcement in this regard in the upcoming budget.